Hi, this is former Navy SEAL Cade Courtley with your 4Patriots Survival Minute. Let's talk about fire. The easiest principle is you start small and you get bigger. So the best thing to do, especially in an environment like this, is clear a section out. Next thing you want to do is get Tinder. Best thing to do is get it from the trees, all right? It's dry, it's dead, and it's gonna help out. Something I never go anywhere without. This is everyday carry for me, and it is absolutely worth its weight in gold. A butane lighter. These things are amazing, very, very dependable, windproof, love them. Something else I always carry in my pack with me, I have a bag that I keep toilet paper in and actually lint from the dryer. Great for getting a fire started. And one other item I use, these fire starting balls. It's really cool because it's basically sawdust that's been soaked in something that'll help you start a fire. In a pinch, these things are amazing. So there's 3 items I always have in my pack. Now, I've kind of prepped the area, but for obvious reasons, it's still damp down here because of the snow. So I'm gonna get some pine boughs to go ahead and further prep this before I start doing the fire. Look at that stuff, all right? So off the ground, super dry. This is gonna be amazing. Get a little piece of lint, a little Kleenex. Get one of my fire starting balls ready to go. Okay, you can start adding some of the larger stuff. You got a fire. Life-saving equipment, life-saving fire. In addition to the obvious keeping warm, fires can be great for signaling too. So once you get your fire going really well, you can introduce some green to it. And you'll see the smoke that comes off that green. Yeah, people will see that from miles. That's your latest 4Patriots Survival Minute. Now be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see my latest survival minutes every time they're ready. And please like this video and share these tips with people you care about so you can be a survivor, not a statistic. Cade out.